Ever wondered what's the best oil for your car's engine? Today, we're settling the age-old debate. It is Mobil 1 against Amsoil. In this possible segment, it is as if we are going to explain the chemistry, the facts, and what that means to your car. Mobil 1 and Amsoil are well-established competitors in the synthetic oil market, claiming to offer locations that drastically increases the life of the product, saves fuel, and gives superior protection. Mobil 1 proudly claims that their SuperSyn is in fact a blend of high-performance base oils and additives, and has been built for high temp and/or for longer OCIs, or oil change intervals. Amsoil has bragging rights to that which is advertised as the Signature Series 100% synthetic, which often uses a Group IV PAO base oil that is famous for its thermal stability. They boast of better additive packages for purposes of wear protection. From this point onwards, things get rather exciting. During independent tests, for instance, both the oils were found to impress overwhelmingly. Amsoil does hold a marginal advantage over Mobil 1 in wear protection and volatility, although the difference may possibly provide slightly better wear protection at extreme conditions. Mobil 1 causes more accessibility and at one point, price liquids. It is simply your usage and wallet. If one is pushing his car to the limit, then Amsoil is the product to go for. For typical 5050 motorists, Mobil 1 provides pretty impressive protection with what can be considered a more wallet-friendly pricing. Whenever possible, it is wise to consult the owner's manual for the manufacturer's particular recommendation of oil type and grade. What has been your experience of using Mobil 1 or Amsoil's products? Feel free to write in the comment section below. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any content we let out in the automotive niche.